Jesus said something many people ignore today. In Luke 13:24, he says, "Strive to enter the narrow door, for many will try to enter and will not be able." That is one of the most frightening warnings Jesus ever gave. Not everyone who tries to enter the kingdom will enter. Why? Because the narrow door is not religion, not morality, not good intentions. The narrow door is Christ Himself, and following Him is not casual, it is costly. Don't wait until it is too late to discover you were walking on the wide road. Come to Christ now, trust Him, and follow Him with your whole life. There is only one narrow door, and it will not stay open forever.